Hi guys, responding to a question on GitHub discussions, that's where we all are, to talk about ideas and changes. I've just made a move in Ohmychadwm. It's a creation of mine, which means it has Azerty keyboards by default. Since now it's basically a community ISO, I've changed Ohmychadwm into Qwerty, right? A lot of people have Qwerty as keyboard layout and makes it a lot more easier. So by default, it's now Qwerty, which means I have to explain to people from Belgium, for instance, or France, that we have to change to Qwerty, from Qwerty to Azerty, okay? Now, I made it all simple, and that's the fun of it, is just, first of all, have a look at where is the code. The code is in Ohmychadwm, right? We've made just some videos about tiling window managers. It's always in the .config, in the folder .config. And in here we have our dev.h. So it's in that particular file. It was already open here. Then you look for Qwerty or Azerty or something, and you'll find information and say, okay, those are the tags for, and those are the tags for. And it's this thing that I've written a little bit, extended a little bit more text to it. And basically all you need to know is this is flipping from false. So Kiro Azerty, yes, no. If it's false, it's gonna be Qwerty. So by default, I change this. That's it, right? True, false, true, false. Now, if you don't like that, then there is the Ohmychadwm keyboard layout. That's been there for ages, but you need to find it, of course. This is it, right? You just say, I want to have Qwerty, but from now on, look at the date up here, right? The 12th of June, the default will be Qwerty. So this video is not for the Qwerty guys, it's for the Azerty guys. You need to go in here, that's one thing, and see what happens to this particular parameter, right? You run this thing, you have to tell who you are, password goes in, there is a Super Shift R, you need to press Super Shift R, reloading, and then I have to go in here and look at it, right? Kiro Azerty true. From now on, test it out, Super 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1. Super Shift 3, it's now here, right? Super Shift 1, it's now back here. So yes, it works from now on Azerty keyboards. So if you don't have an Azerty keyboard, you just go back to Qwerty. So different ways to accommodate you and tell, okay, and if you don't have an Azerty and if you don't have a Qwerty, yeah, then you need to add some more key bindings here. So define the tags. For us, it's ampersand, our key. It's not one, it's ampersand and accent, cute, etc., right? So it's up here that you need to go and add something more if you have different keyboards. All right, cheers.